Motorcycles develop a special place in everybody's life. For many, it is a necessity to commute daily to their jobs, and for some, it is a luxury vehicle that they cherish. In short, purchasing a bike is always a great moment for every rider. But some people could not afford to buy a new bike, and they opt for a second hand option. However, it could also be a great deal provided if they keep a few things in mind while purchasing a second hand bike. Therefore, we have come up with the essential things to keep in mind before buying a second hand bike. So please be with us till the end, and if you really like the information, give a thumbs up in the end. Now without wasting any time, let's start the video. And before starting the video, as usual, hello friends, welcome to Auto Study, way to change the learning of automobile. So here's the first point you have to keep in mind, that you have to first find the purpose of the purchase. The selection of a bike to buy is based on the purpose of its purchase. If you are looking for a bike to daily commute to your job or college, then you should search for a bike which is fuel efficient, requires less maintenance, etc. etc. On the other hand, if you want to buy a motorcycle to enjoy long drives and joy trips, then you can focus on bikes that come with a powerful engine and stylish looks. Now the next point to keep in mind is to conduct a thorough research. After getting an idea for the purpose, the next thing you should go for is in-depth research to find the best options available in the market. Different dealers can offer bikes at different rates, which could be impacted due to its age and conditions. However, when it comes to the purchase of second-hand bike, you can also buy it from your relative, friend, or any renowned online platform. Now the next thing is to keep in mind that you should inspect the bike thoroughly. It is said that the first impression counts, but it is also said that do not judge a book by its cover. In this case, you should go with the second saying and try to inspect the bike properly. The chances of finding physical and mechanical flaws are higher in a second-hand bike. Therefore, it is advised that you must do the inspection in daylight hours. The basic things that you should look into a bike are oil leakage. You can check the oil spillage around the engine. Corrosion. Look for rust in the bike frames, as it may impact the body of the bike. Engine. You can check the engine for any smoke coming out of it, and you should listen its sound too. Clutch and brakes. You can check for smoothness brakes and the effortlessness of clutch. Electricals and battery. Here you can check the bike switches, lights and self-start functions. Wheels and tires. Check wheels for cracks and signs of wear and tear on tires. In chassis, you can check the chassis number of the bike. Also, you have to match the number on plate and engine. However, even after checking these basic parts of the bike, you must take it for a test ride to understand about its performance in totality. Now the next point is to check the chassis number. When you have finalized a bike to purchase, you must take out some time to check its chassis number. Also, you should confirm the number on the plate and the engine should match. However, it could be difficult for you to locate the chassis number on old bikes, but an experienced mechanic can easily find it. You should also check that the same chassis number should be mentioned in the registration certificate. Now the fifth point is the servicing record. It is considered to be an ideal situation if the two-wheeler vehicle seller holds a servicing record of the motorcycle or scooter. In this manner, you will be able to know how much maintenance has been deployed in the bike and how much more servicing needs to be done in it. In the absence of any written record, you can simply ask for an estimate from the seller of the two-wheeler vehicle. Now the next and the sixth point is, you should ensure the proper documentation. Buying a motorcycle without proper documentation today could land you in legal troubles tomorrow. Hence it is highly recommended to check for the proper documentation before going for a purchase. Here we will show you the documents which you should double check before making a purchase of a second-hand bike. So here is the registration certificate with correct engine and chassis number, pollution under control certificate, Form 28, 29 and 30 issued by the Regional Transport Office, sales receipt and purchase invoice of the bike insurance to be transferred in your name, and the last is no objection certificate if vehicle is transferred from one RTO to another. Now the last and the seventh point says that you should negotiate the price. After thorough inspection of the bike, if you are satisfied with its technical condition and paperwork, then you should agree on the price with the seller. You should be aware of the current price of the bike model in the market, from which you can minus the default depreciation, wear and tear cost, and any other expense that you may have to incur after buying. Once you agree on a price, complete the paperwork and make the payment. Now at last the takeaway. So friends, when you plan to buy a second-hand bike, it is important to follow a few steps for a legal and fair purchase. Hence, keeping the all things in mind can get you a value for money deal for a second-hand motorcycle, which will bring in the peace of mind and tension-free ride for you for free. So friends, these are the things to check before buying a used two-wheeler in India. If you are satisfied with these points, please share your comments in the comment box section. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I'll get motivated for making more such learning videos.